Alright, I think I'm gonna wash this all out, clean it up, and then put it all back together. The pseudo homemade parts washer. So I bought this from this kit, the pump, and this that goes on top of a bucket from I think Amazon. It's the Turing company, like that ones that make the Touring, the big red chair. Normally if I have smaller parts, I'll use that in the bucket, and it works just fine. Since this part's big, I don't need this. All I need to do is just add water. And hopefully I don't have a leak. 5 gallons should be enough since the pump is submerged. I'm gonna go get some more. So in total will be about 10 gallons. Probably don't want to put too much more than that. Alright, so the only problem I noticed is, like, I wish the pump had a switch, but other than that, you know, you gotta plug it in and be careful because you're messing with water. That's it. And then use your degreaser of choice. I'm going to use Dawn Power Wash. I'm going to get the water, and I'm going to put it on the parts as well as I clean them. Just talking to myself, but this is for the sun. I'm not going to the gas station soon.